Welcome back to video number 5 in the Food 2016 video series, and hopefully you've gotten some good stuff so far, but today I want to share step number 3, which again is pretty commonsensical. Step 3 is just drink water. You've got to make sure that you're drinking water. And I know that that's probably something you've heard a million times before, but I really want to go through some of the particulars about why. If you'll remember back to the slide that I showed you about eliminating toxins and how that is the only way that you can really have weight loss in particular be permanent, it's because your body is trying to keep you as healthy as it possibly can. And water falls into that same category. When you drink anything other than water, you really are depriving your body of some pretty key functionality. And if you just take a look at these statistics, 75% of your brain is water by weight. 76% of your muscles are water by weight. Your bones are about 22% water. Fat is about 20% water. Your blood obviously is a liquid, and about 20% of that liquid is water. Kidneys are almost all water. Liver is the same, and skin is very high in water percentage. And then all of your connective tissue, your tendons, your ligaments, your fascia, it's a really high percentage of water. So if you think about everything on this list functioning well, your brain, your muscles, your bones, your fat being able to store and eliminate, your blood being able to carry nutrients and oxygen, your kidneys being able to clean, your liver being able to clean, your skin being able to clean and handle anything that you might throw at it, from sun to wind to rain to dust and dirt, and then your connective tissue, which is what allows you to stretch and to move and to perform as an athlete. All of those have a very, very high water percentage. So you want to make sure that every day you're drinking about half your body weight in ounces every day. And here's another factor to remember. If you are trying to lose weight, you want to drink even more than that, because if you remember back to the slide where I was talking about eliminating the toxins, you want to be thinking about the water that you're drinking as a rinsing water, where you're helping your body convey those toxins out of the fat cells to the kidneys, to the liver, to the skin, to the digestive tract. If you think about it, when you wake up every morning, you've usually got a film on your tongue, and your mouth just kind of feels sort of icky because your body's been eliminating some toxins out into that mucous membrane. The more water you drink, the thinner that's going to be, the more liquidy that's going to be, and the easier it is for your body to get rid of it. Now, the number one question that I get after I talk to people about water and drinking water all day long is this one: does iced tea count? And it's not always iced tea. Sometimes it's vitamin water, sometimes it's lemon water, sometimes it's any combination of something. And really, if you think about what I've just talked about, the most important element of water is its rinsing and washing capability. So ask yourself this question about what you're about to drink. Would you wash your dishes in it, or would you take a shower in it? And if it's not clean enough for washing your dishes or taking a shower, or if it's got anything in it that would prevent it from being a rinsing agent and a cleansing and washing agent, then it doesn't count as those ounces of water that you need to drink. Now, that's not to say that lemon water is not good for you, because lemon water is awesome and I drink it myself all the time. It's not to say there's any problem with drinking iced tea. Just understand that when you're drinking lemon water, or you're drinking iced tea, or you're drinking coffee, or you're drinking vitamin water, you're actually technically eating a food. That type of a drink has a food substance in it, and so when your stomach receives it, your stomach takes in that there are food molecules in there, even if they're very fine, just in the form of lemon juice or something. But it still takes it in as a food molecule, and it still ends up processing it through a digestive process, as opposed to just taking the water and sending it out to your skin and your kidneys and your liver and your digestive tract and your brain and your muscles and your soft tissue and using it as a cleanse. It takes those food molecules in, and it starts the digestive process. And you can actually test this yourself if you are ever hungry, for example, and you drink something like an iced tea or you drink something like a lemon water, you'll notice that your stomach will basically go into a digestive mode, and you can feel it if you develop enough sensitivity for this. Whereas if you just drink water, it won't really go into that digestive mode. You'll still be very aware of the fact that your body's ready to digest a meal. So water is something that you need to have permanent weight loss, and it's something that you need to have permanent elimination of toxins. And that really becomes this key thing in getting yourself to this healthier place. So in the next slide, what I'm going to talk about is exercise, because that's step number 4. But for step number 3, you want to be drinking your body weight in ounces. So take your body weight, let's say it's 100 pounds, divide that in half, so that would be 50, and that's how many ounces of water that you want to drink every day to help you with getting rid of the toxins, getting rid of any problems that you might have going on in your body, and properly hydrating everything. So I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you on the next slide.